Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time. And here we've got some options which are currently inactive. So first of all, we have to turn off automatic options. And now we can freely tap on date and change it just by swiping day, month and a year. Tap on OK. Here the same with the time. Change it just by swiping and tap on OK. Here we've got the time zone. So let's tap on the time zone, tap on the region, and you can choose something from the list. So find it and tap on it and it will be immediately applied. You can also change the time format. Just turn off this option so you can now decide. Currently we've got the 12-hour format. If you wish to use the 24-hour one, just tap on this switcher here. So this is the manual customization. If you wish to go back to all previous settings, just tap on those switches right here. You will have to allow to use location if you wish. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.